Fibria is the world's leading producer of eucalyptus pulp. It operates in 246 municipalities across 6 Brazilian states. It exports to 37 countries in 5 continents. Many people still don't understand the importance of planted forests for the planet. Their relation with the preservation of nature, with the creation of opportunities for neighbors, and the promotion of well-being and health among people. How about you? Do you know the true value of planted forests? So look around and draw your own conclusions. Planted forests play a fundamental role in controlling global climate change. But their importance goes far beyond that. They help protect and preserve native vegetation and generate job opportunities and income for surrounding communities.
My name is Maria das Graças. I live on the Bela Vista farm, and I'm the financial director here at the Vale do Itaitinga Cooperative. I joined the project as a scrapper, and now I'm the director of finance. I supervise everything from harvesting the cassava to finishing the flour. I give my final touch to everything. I do every little bit I can to help this grow. I started working at the flour house, my brother's flour house, where I learned to harvest the cassava, peel it, grate it, press it, and toast it, and also how the flour is supposed to taste. I've done it all. Flour may seem like something easy to do, but it's not. If you don't care for it, if you just do it for the sake of doing it, you won't get good quality flour. Fibria came here to restore the communities. They didn't come doing things for the communities, but rather teaching them how to work. The flour house changed my life because previously I didn't have a job. I couldn't work in agriculture, and there's only farming work here. Today, I have a better standard of living, I have more knowledge, I can speak better, I'm proud of myself today because I'm here at the flour house. The sky's the limit.
Fibria believes that companies should participate in the development of transformative solutions for a more just and sustainable society. And this film aimed to show through real-life stories how planted forests can be a source of life, shared value, and well-being of people. This is in our nature.